When we talk about future of air power, it's a system of systems approach of manned and unmanned systems, a network operating together.
The Airpower Teaming System is really redefining and helping us reimagine the art of the possible when it comes to unmanned fighter-like capability. Smart teaming that's AI enabled. It has a very flexible mission payload and set of sensors, so you can snap on and snap off different sensors and capabilities to perform different missions.
It's designed to fly alongside and fight alongside other manned air power platforms, be it fighters, tankers, surveillance aircraft, to enable them to more effectively be force projection assets and also to give them force protection in the future fight.
The Airpower Teaming System provides disruptive air superiority. It really becomes a force multiplier.
This is going to deliver tremendous insight about how autonomy integrates with existing capability.
It's going to generate advancement and innovation in a number of areas. Advanced command and control communications, unmanned manned teaming, artificial intelligence, trusted autonomy.
So we're on a journey with the Royal Australian Air Force. So this is a great opportunity for our partners and ourselves to create a world-class capability.
And we're leveraging the power of the Boeing company to deliver this unmatched capability.
This is what Boeing does. We innovate.